Hello everybody, Salakshi here. I'm trying to attempt the C2P record for creamy onion tomato sabji in under 10 minutes. So before I start, I just wanted to measure the stuff that would be needed. I have 300 grams of whole tomatoes. I will be de-seeding them, so I should be getting somewhere around 200. That's my aim. 200 grams of tomatoes, and I would need about 100 to 125 grams of onions. So this is 215. I would need about half of this. Okay. Keep these away. I have the spice powders ready. I'm going to start the timer now. Okay, so for the layering, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, and I will have to layer the onions in the onions and tomatoes in bullseye format. I'm just chopping the onions slightly bigger than usual because I will have to let them stay without burning and balance the cooking time with tomatoes. The tomatoes will also let out water, so just chopping them roughly. Not an expert in chopping, so just chopping as how I like, or how it comes to me. Make sure the okay, so that's the onions. I'm removing the seeds. If not for the record, I would be removing them completely. And just today I'm just letting them go. Okay, about 1.5 of the tomatoes. I hope to finish the chopping in the layering in under 3 minutes, so that I can cook this on high for full 5 minutes, because I will have to go by time. I cannot go by whistles because the tomatoes that I get here are super watery. So if you are using the Indian variety, the Indian tomatoes in India, you may not have to de-seed them. You can just go for 5 minutes, just like that. Okay, so layering them in the center. I think it should be enough. I don't think we'll need this completely, because I was aiming for just 200 grams. Okay, so now for the salt, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Now I'm going to add a little bit of sugar, say a quarter teaspoon of sugar. That would fasten the caramelization process. Okay, because this is not in the original recipe. Okay, so we've started by 3:10. I hope I will be stopping it by 8:10. Okay, you just move all these out. And then I'll show you the recipe card. Okay. So that's out. So this is the recipe I'm following. Creamy tomato onion sabzi in a 2-liter magic pot. Layer 1 is 2 tablespoons of oil. Layer 2 is 1 cup each chopped onions and tomatoes. I have de-seeded tomatoes, but this is not mandatory because unless I de-seed, I may not be able to get the nice sauteed effect in the tomatoes, because the tomatoes I use here are extremely watery. So it's approximately 200 grams and the onions approximately 125 grams. Arranged in bullseye method. Bullseye as in outer circle will be chopped onions and the inner circle will be the tomatoes. Half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. I've also used quarter teaspoon sugar here. Let me just note it down. So quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon sugar. Sugar, apart from adding a nice flavor to the tangy tomato based dishes, it will also aid in caramelization. So I just added a little bit of sugar here. So this is optional. You can you can omit this. Cook on high for about 5 minutes. So I will go by time. I'll stop at the 8th minute. Okay, so I might get somewhere around 10 to 15 whistles, but I'll just ignore the number of whistles now. Release pressure. Mix in 2 tablespoon cream and garnish with 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro. So let me just have the cream ready here with me. That's 1 tablespoon. That's 2 tablespoon cream. That's ready. We get some cilantro. So that's the first whistle. That's the second whistle. I'm just going to wash the cilantro. Sorry, I forgot to wash the kitchen. That's the third whistle. Whistle 4. Five. So cilantro is only for garnish. I'm just going to add this to the bowl. That way I don't waste any time, because we'll be just finishing it by 8.5 minutes. You can add any spice powders of your choice. The original recipe called for just chili powder and turmeric. So I am just sticking to chili powder and turmeric. You can use any spice powders of your choice. You can increase spice powders levels if you want. Yeah, 7.5. That's 4.5 minutes already. I've lost the count of whistles. Or you can wait for a mild caramelization smell. Okay, you don't really have to stick to exact timing. You will have to be aware of the smell. So if you find slight faint burning smell or a nice caramelized smell, you can stop. Okay, at 8 minutes, I'm going to stop here because we loaded by 3 minutes and 10 seconds. So I've cooked this for 5 minutes on high. Ideally, I would just let it go until I smell caramelization. You see the nice brown spots in the base, which shows it's good enough. Okay. So I'm just going to add the cream and some chopped cilantro. Give it a nice mix to make it into a creamy sabji, and just transfer it back to the bowl. It looks very yum. There's no burning. and nice caramelized effect, which is evident from the brown spots below the tomatoes. Okay, the onions have also changed their color, which means they have moved from the boiled stage to the sauteed stage. Okay, so that's, oh, okay, should have, I got, okay, fine. So that's our creamy, clean this up, that way the plating is also complete. Okay, so creamy onion tomato sabji ready in under 10 minutes. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.